Hi guys, it's my first voiceover. This is gonna be my first voiceover video, so not too much on me. But as y'all probably read in the title, we're gonna do that viral 3-part hairstyle. Like, it's so cute. So I parted my hair off camera because I just could not get it done on camera. So here y'all see me using the Aussie Moisture, what is it? Freeze spray. It works just as good as Got2b glue. It's just regular hairspray, but I'm just taking section by section and molding it to the back so it forms a ponytail, and I blow dry it until it gets hard. Basically, I just do that process over and over again.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Me, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
So now I'm just putting my hair into the ponytails. I didn't even notice this when I was doing it, but you're gonna see that one of my ponytails is like uneven, like it's higher than the other. It kind of bothered me, but it is what it is.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't want you up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up.
So I'm just gonna finish that off camera. The look that I was going for that like 90s, early 2000s look, like with the spiked hair. That's what I was going for. So I just twisted the ends into, like, they almost look like Bantu knots. I just twisted them really tight and then wrapped it around and then secured it with a bobby pin, and I left like little hairs out. I also flipped the ends of my hair. The back looks crazy because obviously I can't see the back, so I wasn't really able to, get that as perfect. But yeah, so in a few I'm just gonna do my edges, and yeah. So now I'm just gonna use my favorite edge control, True Edge, in the scent, I think that's kiwi or watermelon. It smells so good. So that's basically it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.